Hello, dear HSC professionals. Greetings of the day. So, today in this video, we are going to discuss about the hazardous area classification, that is Zone 0, Zone 1, and Zone 2. Area classification is a method of analyzing and classifying the environment where explosive gas atmospheres may occur. The main purpose is to facilitate the proper selection and installation of apparatus to be used safely in that environment, taking into account the properties of the flammable materials that will be present. In industries, it is crucial to understand and classify area based on the potential presence of hazardous substances to ensure the safety of workers and prevent accidents. One common classification system used for this purpose is the zoning system, which divides a facility into different zones based on the likelihood of an explosive atmosphere being present. The three main zones are Zone 0, Zone 1, and Zone 2. Zone 1 is the area where an explosive atmosphere is present continuously or for long period of time. This zone is the most hazardous and requires the highest level of protection for workers and equipment. Any equipment used in Zone 0 must be specially designed and certified for use in such environment to prevent the risk of ignition and subsequent explosion. The next area, Zone 1, is the area where an explosive atmosphere is likely to occur under normal operating conditions. Although the presence of this explosive atmosphere in this Zone 1 is not as constant as in Zone 0, so it is still a high risk area that requires precaution to be taken. Equipment used in Zone 1 must be designed to prevent the ignition of hazardous substances and to minimize the risk of explosion. Zone 2 is the area where an explosive atmosphere is not likely to occur under normal operating conditions, but may occur occasionally due to abnormal circumstances. So while the risk in Zone 2 is as lower compared to Zone 0 and Zone 1, it is still important to take precaution to prevent incidents. Equipment used in Zone 2 must be designed to withstand the occurrence of an explosive atmosphere and also to reduce the risk of ignition. Proper zoning classification is essential for ensuring the safety of workers and preventing catastrophic incident in industrial environment. By understanding the characteristics of each zone and implementing appropriate safety measures, employers can create a safe working environment for the employees. So, as per HSC EK standards, the most commonly values are used in zones, that is Zone 0 and Zone 1 and Zone 2. In Zone 0, the explosive atmosphere for more than 1000 hours per year, whereas in Zone 1, the explosive atmosphere for more than 10 hours but less than 1000 hours per year. For Zone 2, the explosive atmosphere less than 10 hours but still sufficiently likely to require controls over ignition source. So in conclusion, the zoning classification system of Zone 0, Zone 1 and Zone 2 plays a critical role in identifying area with potential hazards and implementing necessary safety precautions. By categorizing individual facilities into these zones and using equipment certified for use in hazardous environments, employees can protect their employees and prevent incidents. It is important for all personnel working in such areas, hazardous areas, to be aware of the zoning classification and adhere to safety protocols to ensure a safe working environment for all. So thank you friends. We'll meet in next video.